The Bosch WTE84106GB Tumble Dryer is packed full of features designed to make your life easier than ever. It's one of our top sold products here at Stellisons, and because it's Bosch, you know you're getting that well-renowned, reliable German quality every single time. The design of this dryer is minimalistic, so it's going to fit seamlessly into any home, plus it's got a straightforward, easy to understand display that even the biggest technophobe can grasp. It features a 7 kg capacity drum that's perfect for medium-sized households or smaller households that require frequent drying. Now, one of the things that's great about this model is it's a condenser dryer, meaning you can place it anywhere you like in your home with absolute ease. All of the water that's taken from your laundry is stored in an easy to empty reservoir located at the top left of your machine at about waist height. Taking a look at the dimensions, this dryer is 598mm wide, 842mm tall, and it has a depth of 639mm. This dryer comes with a number of time-saving features, including the Auto Dry feature. The Auto Dry feature allows your machine to automatically detect the moisture levels in your laundry, and as soon as it senses your clothes are thoroughly dried, it'll end the cycle there and then. This is going to prevent you from over drying your laundry and gives you peace of mind that you're not running your cycles for any longer than you need to. That's great for the environment, it's great for your time schedule, and more importantly, it's great for your pocket too. The engineers at Bosch have also fitted this particular model with a sensitive drying system. This system ensures all your laundry is dried evenly and safely by moving warm air from every single angle. But the real thing that makes this machine so special is the anti-vibration technology. Now, this technology was specifically designed to make this dryer run as quietly as possible, giving you a machine you can use any time of the day or night without upsetting your neighbours. It has 9 advanced drying programs that can handle almost anything you throw at it. If you need something drying fast, it's got a super quick 40 setting that will get it dried in just 40 minutes. There's also a sportswear and extra dry setting on there too, and what's more, it even comes with a handy iron dry program that can be super useful on those days when you're low on time and you haven't got the time to do the ironing. So in summary, this is a truly great machine. Bosch have done a great job here in creating a tumble dryer that's a true asset to your daily life. It's got the auto dry feature that's going to prevent over drying and save you money, the sensitive drying that's going to protect your laundry, and that all impressive anti-vibration technology that's going to keep your machine running quietly and keep your neighbours happy. Thousands of homes are currently benefiting from these caring and quiet drying innovations from Bosch, and you can too, with free delivery and a price match promise that guarantees you always get the best price here at Stellisons.